It's time to get this little guy out. Ah, there she is. My E-Revo Mini. It's been too long. Let's get this body off and I'll show you guys what's underneath. So I actually stripped the Spur gear, if you can see it right there. I stripped the first one that came with the car, and then I got a second one, which was a 45 tooth, which was a little too small. So then I got a 50 tooth, and the 50 tooth lasted me for about an hour before stripping again. And I don't think I'm setting the gear mesh right. So I'm thinking about just upgrading the whole motor, because right now this is a brush system. This is just the regular E-Revo 1/16. It's not the VXL version. If we go over to the Traxxas website, they have a power-up program, and I'm deciding if I want to do this or getting the VXL motor and ESC system. And then I'll keep you guys updated what I do with this piece of junk. Guys, what's in the package? I got a new motor. Let's go. Also a new spur gear and some body clips that may or may not work. You guys will also need a new motor plate and a new motor mount. Link down in the description. This is my first time doing this, but I need to get the ESC out of there. Also the motor. Once I get those out, I need to install these in. Alright guys, I just got the motor out and the ESC. It's right over there. I have to get these parts out right here. The mount and the pinion gear. And I'm just going to use the old pinion gear for the new motor. Alright guys, so I got the new motor plate on. It was a pain to get this thing off. There's so many tiny little screws, and you have to use these tiny little Allen wrenches to get them off. It's really hard to get power tools down in there or bigger screwdrivers. Anyways, it's time to get the new motor in there. I put the motor mount on it. Got to get the spur gear on there too. Alright, so I got the motor in there. I got the ESC in there, all hooked up and ready to go. I got my battery pack. Now let's grab the body. And I lost my pins, so guess no body. Let's take this baby out. I'm also using a 2S LiPo in this. And this blue thing right here. I don't know what it's called, an antenna. I have to tape it down on the motor because this thing flies all over the place. If you guys know what to do with this blue thing, or if there's any way to get rid of it, let me know. Alright guys, we're on the stairs of doom. Time to full send it. Uh-oh. It's still good. It still runs. Alright guys, we're outside. We're going to do a little speed test. Thank you, Cody, for helping me out with the video. Go subscribe to his YouTube channel, Cody Does Stuff. Alright, let's send this E-Revo down the street. 3, 2, 1. Jeez! How fast do you think that is? I would say 40, 30 or 40. Steering to the right. There's something wrong with my camber. I gotta fix that. Dang, son! Let's take it into the grass. Let's see how good the off-road is.
Yo, Jackson, there's a jump over here, bro.
Where?
Over there.
Oops. Oh yeah, I see it. We need to get a good camera angle on this. How big is that jump? Maybe like half a foot? Woo! Some more off-roading. Doesn't go fast through the grass. You can already hear that I stripped the gear too. I ordered a metal gear. We'll have to put that on it. Want to watch this cool trick? This is called under the car. Oh no, I can't see it. Disappeared like Cody's dad.
Oh, there it is! It's running!
let's take this puppy to the back.
What happens if it's silica?
Oh my word, guys. All right, let's launch this puppy.
3, 2, 1.
Oh! Does it survive?
Did it survive?
Yep, it did. Now we're back here in my alleyway. I don't know why there's apples everywhere.
Crab apple.
Guess it was raining apples last night. There she goes.
Coming back. Oh, right in the bush.
Burnout!
That thing is a
Did it survive the weed? Yep. All right, Cody, you want to try it? That thing is fast, dude. Yep, there you go.
Oh, damn.
It's fast, isn't it?
Yo, this would be like GTA 5 when I steal someone's car and I'd be like... Except I don't do that.
What's something we should do with it? Off of the roof?
Car.
Off the roof?
Oh, I got it. I'm a professional. I'm just gonna flip it. Oh, I can jump and get it, but I'm afraid to hit the storm drain.
Oh, he got it.
Ready?
Do it. You got it up. No way. All right, we'll send it. It survived.
It's not getting good.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We broke something, guys.
The tire.
A little bit of duct tape will fix that. Broken tire, let's go. You can see the tire bouncing around. It's 3 wheels now. It's gonorrhea. You want to race, little puppy? Yo, Cody, what should we name this little guy? I'm thinking...
Zach Jr.
Zach Jr.?
Zach Jr.
Okay.
In memory of Zach.
Zach Jr. That sounds like a good name.
Well,
If you guys don't know who Zach is, he has a full-sized E-Revo, not the little small one, and he went on a little vacation. He isn't here right now. Make sure to like and subscribe. My channel's pretty small. Anything helps.
And
All
we're
right,
about
peace,
to do it.
guys.